Hey team, I am here with the digital instrument cluster for the Jeep Wrangler JK and JKU. Doing a quick unboxing here. I've clearly already opened it up to save time. It comes really well packaged. Okay, so here is the USB cable in the back as well. And then here's the actual LCD. Yeah, this is really well packaged. It's a lot heavier than the factory LCD instrument cluster. Well, it's a lot heavier than the factory instrument cluster. Yeah, it looks like it's got a lot of lines on it in the camera, but there's this there's the screen protector that's on it. Yeah, there's not a single scratch. Looks good. And then here's the rear. Okay, looking forward to getting this thing installed. I'll keep you guys posted.